Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 6, 2024, and we're diving into Sempra's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Sempra's performance, especially given the current dynamics in the energy sector.
Let's get started with an overview of Sempra. As a leading North American energy infrastructure company, Sempra is known for its extensive energy network and commitment to sustainability. Today, we'll explore their financial results and strategic initiatives. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sempra reported GAAP earnings of $638 million for the third quarter of 2024, which is a decrease from $721 million in the same quarter last year. John, can you explain the factors behind this decline?
Certainly. The decrease in GAAP earnings is primarily due to foreign currency impacts and inflation on their monetary positions in Mexico, which negatively affected their bottom line. However, it's important to note that their adjusted earnings, which exclude these impacts, were $566 million, reflecting a more stable operational performance.
And how about their earnings per share?
The GAAP EPS for the quarter was $1 down from $1.14 last year. On an adjusted basis, EPS was 89 cents compared to 108 in the previous year. This adjustment provides a clearer picture of their core business performance, excluding volatile factors.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Jeffrey W. Martin, Sempra's CEO, mentioned a focus on safety and operational improvements. How is this reflected in their current operations?
Sempra is indeed prioritizing safety and operational efficiency. In California, they are awaiting a CPUC decision on their general rate cases, which aim to enhance safety and reliability while aligning with clean energy goals. Additionally, they set a new record for peak electricity demand in San Diego, highlighting their robust infrastructure investments.
What about their future outlook?
Looking ahead, Sempra is well positioned with ongoing investments in energy storage and infrastructure modernization. These initiatives are crucial for meeting future energy demands and maintaining service reliability, especially in high-demand regions like California and Texas.
Strategic initiatives and infrastructure development. John, let's talk about Sempra's strategic initiatives, particularly in Texas and their infrastructure projects.
In Texas, Sempra's subsidiary Oncor is seeing significant growth in electric demand, prompting a 40 to 50% increase in their capital plan. This includes substantial investments in grid expansion and modernization. Additionally, their LNG projects, like the Energía Costa Azul and Port Arthur LNG, are progressing well, with key milestones expected in the coming years.
How do these projects impact Sempra's position in the energy market?
These projects solidify Sempra's role as a leader in energy infrastructure. By expanding their LNG capabilities and enhancing grid reliability, they are not only meeting current demands, but also positioning themselves for future growth in a decarbonizing world.
Financial guidance and market position. Let's wrap up with Sempra's financial guidance. What are they projecting for the rest of 2024 and beyond?
Sempra has updated their 2024 GAAP EPS guidance to a range of $4.86 to $5.06, while affirming their adjusted EPS guidance of $4.60 to $4.90. For 2025, they project EPS between $4.90 and $5.25. These figures reflect their confidence in ongoing projects and market conditions.
And what about their financial strategies?
They've initiated a $3 billion at-the-market equity offering to support future financing needs. This move, along with their projected long-term EPS growth rate of 6 to 8%, underscores their strategic focus on sustainable growth and financial stability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sempra's third quarter results reflect a solid operational performance despite some financial headwinds. Their strategic investments in infrastructure and energy projects position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on Sempra as an investment?
Sempra remains a strong player in the energy sector, with a clear focus on infrastructure development and sustainability. Investors should consider their robust project pipeline and strategic initiatives as positive indicators for long-term value.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sempra's performance in the comments below. Until next time.